So when the designer has got you to stop growing in the x-axis and start building up, we no longer have to attach, chain out, and then come back. We just immediately go onto an existing box that's there, and then we just follow it through. And because we're not going to add any more boxes here, when we get to this spot, we just bind off and then we're done. So if they wanted you to do rectangle, they could just have another box here, and then you just keep building out so that you'll end up with a rectangle shape. So we're going to start here and do those 3 boxes. So we're now going to start here. We're not going to build that anymore, and so we're going to create a slip knot and put it onto your hook. So we want to grab the first both loops of the top of the box right here, and we're just going to attach it with a slip stitch. So pull through and through. So that is 1 loop. So we know that this box here is 3 wide. So we're going to grab our next one. Okay, when I say 3 wide, it's 3 loops. And then your back loop of your first row here is your 3rd. Pull through. So there's your 3 loops. So this whole vertical is going to be only 3 loops. So pull through 2s all the way back and then move forward. So when it's narrow like this, these are really quite quick to climb up. So what I'll do is I'll see you at the top of this side of this first box I'm climbing up of in just a moment. So we know that this was 6 rows tall, so I currently have 5.5. So I'm going to do my bind off. And then go to the top of the next one. And we know that this was 4 loops, so once we have our slip stitches done, there's only 4 loops in this particular vertical, 4 loops wide. And the connection spot is on the back loop only. And come back all the way. So climb up the side of the box. Hopefully you're doing good. And I will see you at the next connection spot right here. So this particular box was only 5 rows tall, so I have 4.5 done. Do the bind off. Don't forget that connection spot and the 2 loops of the next box to start. Okay, and then we know that this one is 5 loops wide, but if you're following what you see below, you don't really have to over concern yourself. So as much as this technique is kind of a lot, there's a lot of ways to skip around the hardness too. So come out to the connection, back loop only, and pull through 2s all the way back. So climb up the side of this one, and I'll be right back. And this one is only 4 rows, so I want to have 3.5 done, and then do the bind off next. To finish off this one, we're just doing a bind off. Don't forget that connection spot, just like that. Okay, and then that is the end right here. So we don't want to start another box, so we don't want to go into there. We want to just stay right here, and that's where we're going to trim our yarn and begin. So you only move over if you're building another box to the top of the next empty stitch. And we're going to pick up now, and we're going to fill in the next 2 boxes right here.